Okay, let's talk about how to use notes in the Eazl app. So to add a note, just click on this button in the upper left-hand corner on desktop, and on mobile you'll have to open a little menu to find this. Now to access your notes, you can click on this little magnifying glass here, or you can search for some search term using a search query and search among your notes. And then once you're here in the notes in the searching area, then you can filter by label, by collaborator, and then you'll see your starred notes up here. So let's go over a few key features of the notes. So you can view details like the creator and the prompts that are using that note by clicking this button here. You can also duplicate notes. You can star and unstar them. You can change the background color with this little palette icon. You can lock them to prevent edits by others right here. You can manage your collaborators right here. You can save them just by clicking the little save button if you've made any updates. Labels are also a really nice feature, and you can delete them just by clicking this button here. Alright, so that covers the essentials of working with your notes in Eazl.